In this video we're going to look at how to do scale factor enlargements from a given center of enlargement. So in this one we're enlarging the triangle by scale factor 2 and the center is the origin, so this point here. Now scale factor 2 simply means the triangle is going to get twice as big. All of the sides are going to be multiplied by 2 in length, but it also means the distance from the center of enlargement to the triangle and all the space around it is also going to be multiplied by 2. So the triangle will also appear to move on the grid as well as get larger. So let's see how that happens. The best method to use is to start at the center of enlargement and count the journey to each of the vertices or corners of the triangle. So if we go for this one here, we need to go down 1, right 1. If we apply the scale factor 2 enlargement to that, it becomes down 2, right 2. So there is our new bottom left corner of the triangle. Okay, do the same thing up here. So right 1, up 3, double that, right 2, up 6. So that goes to that. And then finally this vertex here, down 1, right 3, apply scale factor 2, it becomes down 2, right 6. So now we've got 3 new vertices of the enlarged triangle. Get a ruler and we join those up, and we should see that we've got a triangle that is twice as big, but also it has now moved twice the distance from that center of enlargement. Okay, so that is the correct enlargement there. So what I want you to do on the PDF you'll see on EduLink is this question, and on this one you want to enlarge this shape by scale factor 4 using that point P as your center. So do this question. Another type of problem you get is when you have a negative scale factor. So very similar kind of question. We've got a triangle, we're enlarging from the origin again, but this time the scale factor is negative 2. So this means the triangle will get twice as big, but the direction of the enlargement is reversed. So here's what it means in practice. We start off at the center of enlargement, which is the origin in this case. Again, we count our journey to the first vertex, so right 1, up 1. We're now going to double that and reverse it. So rather than going right 1, up 1, we're going to go left 2, down 2. So that's where our new point is. Let's do the same with this one here. So up 1, right 3, double and reverse that, down 2, left 6. So that point has gone to there. Go for the last one here. Right 1, up 4, double and reverse, left 2, down 8. So we end up down here. So you'll see the triangle is indeed twice the size of the original one. So that 2 is still making it twice the size, but it has also been flipped over because the negative means the enlargement is happening in the opposite directions. And we get that. So I want you to try a similar question on here, enlarging this shape by scale factor negative 3 from the point P. In the lesson we will look at questions like this one at the top here. So that's enlarging a shape by scale factor negative 1/2, so it's negative and it's also a fraction. And we might also look at questions like this one where the enlargement's already happened. How do you work out what the scale factor was and what the center was? You don't have to do these two questions now, but you might want to think about how to do them, maybe try them, because you'll see them in the lesson. You'll see similar questions as well. Okay, good luck with that.